What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and the Skyline back here with another video. Today we're getting ready to install my starlit ceiling in the R32. We have this little kit here on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think it was like $100 bucks, 90 bucks, something like that. We're getting ready to take down the headliner. We're also going to be spraying it black, just like we sprayed the Miata top black. Then we're going to be diving into this install, bringing you guys along with us. Let's do it. So currently you guys can see it's like this gray color. All of these screws and clips and stuff, I believe, are going to be under my handles, under the light, and under the visor. So that's what I'm going to work to find right now to try to get this thing lowered. One more little quick note here, Kazan and I will be doing these, so if you watch this video and say, hey, this looks great, but I don't want to try it myself, but I also don't want to pay $2 grand at a shop, contact Kazan and I, and we can get you hooked up. We worked it out, $500 to $900, depending on how much, how long it takes, the car, stuff like that. Hit us up. So for this first sun visor clip, for example, literally just taking a flathead, prying it, and it comes right off. So there's little grooves in there that just slide out. That's going to be the majority of these. Now this has revealed our little Phillips screw here, and we got a bunch more of these to go and we'll be good. One more time on the sun visor, you pop off the little clip, revealing 2 more Phillips screws, and we're going to take them out. So as you can see, we've removed all the visors and all of the lights as well. I gotta look and check and make sure there's no more screws, but the headliner is like pretty much ready to come down. All right, so after I've done all the screws on the handles and the lights, I literally just took a screwdriver and ran it around the outside of the headliner, and all my trim pieces, all the pillars popped off super easily. I don't know what we're using nowadays, but dude, these clips they work flawlessly. So anyways, now we're just we're using the hot dog method, and we're just gonna pull it out of here. Here's a little recap of what I had to take out: the handles, the visors, the mirror, and the lights. Generally, this will be it for most of the vehicles we're doing this to. I did want to go ahead and show you guys that we got our new GK Tech inners and our stock GTR outers. So this thing is going to be driving just fine. I don't think we'll get to that tonight. Definitely not in this video, but keep an eye out for the next video. Fingers crossed, dude. This thing's going to be back sooner than we know it. Look who's here. Dude, it smells like an RB, but this thing is a different color every time you guys see it. Dude, this is nice. So decided to switch it up a little bit. Whole new front end, looking 10 times as clean. Never fails to amaze me, dude. So other than the kit that I bought, will be in the link below, this is the extra stuff we needed to get. For me, black dye to do the roof. If you want to leave yours your color, you can do that. 2 different glues. Get the gel, because the blue cap will melt the optics, either just the original glue or the gel. We got add-a-fuse, we got a little pick to poke the holes for the fibers, and then we got some butt connectors. We literally just need like 2 of those, and that is everything we need. We are going to start by dyeing this roof black. You have to see me do this with the Miata soft top. Let's do it. Nothing too crazy here. We're just going to take our vinyl fabric and start laying it down. Alright, so we finally got the roof covered. I did have to go back and get a second can. Kazan's working on the wiring this second. Let me show you guys that.
So basically, these wires are what come with the Starlight thing, and then these have plugs for like a wall, get a cigarette lighter, and I just chop them off. And then you can put the 2 wires together to make this longer, because you need to have that box somewhere where you don't see it. We have an add-a-fuse going to here, which is like a constant, so it's always on. So this can be on while the car is off. The ground is grounded up here on like a throttle cable bracket at the top, the one that doesn't move.
That's how this little box will have power. And all that's left to do now is the optics right here are going to screw onto the end of the box,
This is basically a flashlight, lights up all the optics. We're getting ready to thread them through our headliner. In the kit that I got, I have 300 optic fiber strands to work with. 100 are going in this section, 75, 50, 75. That will cover the majority of the headliner and ensure that it's all spaced out evenly. Now, the tedious part of going through and marking 100 dots in this section, the remaining 200 in the other sections. I'll see you guys in a few hours when we actually start to put the fibers through this thing. So the next part here is figuring out where we're mounting our box that actually produces the light. For me, I'm doing in my C-pillar right next to the seat, so back there in that corner. We have the headliner oriented the way it'll be in the car. This strand's coming to the rear driver's side here for my car, which is where the box will be. Now we're getting ready to take each one of these strands, there are 300 of them, and put them into their respective holes. So I don't know, I'll see you guys in like 20-30 minutes when this is done. Alright, what you guys just saw was us threading through all the optics. We're now gluing down all 300 of the optics, then we'll move on to trimming them. This was easily the hardest part, trying to wiggle it in here. This is where you guys are going to have to take notes of how did it come out and try to get it in the same way. In my case, it was hot dog style.
We're using the hot dog method.
Through the front passenger door. Now we're going to hold it up and connect everything, and I'll show you guys the mess under here and just start trimming all of these one by one. Plug it in and hope it turns on. We should be good though, like we're really close to having this thing just be up there and in. I wanted to give you guys a little POV here. I know the footage is not going to be the best, but we had to hold up the roof, and so far all we've done is put in the back two handles, as you can see, or maybe not see, but this is what you should expect getting your roof back together. This is what it's going to be like inside the cabin. This is wild, dude. It's so close to being done too. We do have to run those two wires from earlier, the positive and the negative, back to the corner, but we have copper wire, literally just extend them. So that's where we're at. This is crazy. All right, y'all, moment of truth has come and they all light up. This looks absolutely crazy with it untrimmed this second. I think that was the last thing we were waiting on to trim it.
It was.
Oh shit, he's already starting. Didn't even realize. But dude, now to probably do this for 20 minutes, show you guys the finished product. But ooh, there's a little sneak peek.
The trimming really doesn't take that long.
I'm ready.
Dude, it's gonna look good.
It's gonna look awesome. So I'm not gonna show you guys the whole roof yet, but Kazin's got about 6 more. This has been like really not that bad, to be honest with you guys. Definitely the best $100 I've spent in a minute, and the best, you know, 500 to 1,000 for you guys. Hit me up, hit Kazin up. A little more for travel fee, but we got you. Last one. There it is, dude. Oh my god, it's super hard to like tell on camera. Yeah, I do have to put that light in, but dude, the atmosphere that this provides is insane. Right, so time to show you guys the inside. Look at this tint. It's crazy. It makes a huge difference. But here is the finished product. Hopefully it'll pick up the different colors on camera. This is just what it's set to on Bluetooth this second, but dude, this is the ultimate hang room, vibe room. Like, I wanted it to be a big part of my experience, the interior of this car, and this really touches on that. Hopefully you guys will be able to see me, but dude, looking around, like I could just come out here and sit as long as my battery didn't die, you know? This is definitely the best $100 I spent for the interior of my car by far. It kind of bothers me. You guys have probably noticed that I forgot / didn't paint the visors, but it matches the other trim pieces, which is fine in here. I'll have a full, you know, in-depth video on
actually driving, being out. Oh, okay, he turned the brightness up. Oh my god, dude. You want to change to a couple different colors real fast?
Yeah, I can just put it on this.
Dude, there's like changing, which I can match my mirror above me. There's, you know, different solid colors. RGB, any RGB, you know, same as your room, a lamp, any light bulb, stuff like that. It's gonna have the same capabilities, but it's just in my car,
wait,
you know.
wait.
You got a favorite?
No, I don't got
I'm gonna close
I
this
got
one.
the literal worst thing ever.
The worst? Oh no. What is this? What is this? Hello?
What?
Is it noise activated?
Yeah.
This is terrible.
Imagine driving in like
Hell no.
road noise.
All right, y'all, well, this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys want to do this. You know, it's not worth paying $2-3 grand at a shop, able to knock it out in a day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys are looking forward to the Skyline coming back really soon, like literally tomorrow. The day this video goes up, I'm gonna be putting in my new inners, my new outers, and we got an alignment Wednesday. So dude, once again, huge massive shout out to Kazan. This is a game changer. I love this so much, and you know, forever thankful for him and all his help. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the content. Go check out the t-shirts and hoodies down below. Yes, there are hoodies for the fall time, and new fall merch out soon. Skyline back real soon. That's enough. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.